Hello guys, the well-known brand of robust devices FOSSiBOT is back with the new interesting rugged smartphone model, the F109 Pro. Sporting the 5G capable MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, up to 24GB RAM, and this phone stands out thanks to its secondary back screen, a large 10,600 mAh battery inside, and excellent resistance to all harsh conditions. This smartphone is perfect for outdoor adventures or on-the-go use. For all other details, be sure to watch this FOSSiBOT F109 Pro video review. FOSSiBOT F109 Pro is back in this brand traditional flat orange box with the almost square shape. The design is minimalistic, only the silver logo of the brand is on the front. Let's see what's inside. Besides our phone, inside there is a F109 Pro user manual, SIM pin, USB Type-C cable, and 80-watt fast charger. Now that we examine the contents of this box, let's look at our smartphone. Just to mention that the F109 Pro will be launched between September 11th and 18th on Aliexpress, priced at $159.99 during the launch period. Keep that in mind, you'll have a chance to grab this smartphone at a great price. The design of F109 Pro is robust. At the first seems somehow elegant, with this piano black smooth on the back and this round module. There is this camera lenses, and the additional screen is located a massive body made of a black rubberized plastic. The corners are cut at 45 degrees. It all seems very solid and robust. The build quality, as always with the FOSSiBOT brand, are excellent. The materials, despite the affordable price, do not look cheap, just the opposite. On the sides, in this dark grey metal frame that further enhance the feeling of robustness and solidity. On the right side we can find the more traditional placed volume buttons, and below them is a power button, which is also a very fast fingerprint reader. On the opposite side, under this rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, we find a SIM card drawer, which has two slots for as many of 2 5G SIM cards, or the option of one SIM and the memory card of up to 2TB. This red metal perforate button is a customizable button that can be used to quickly start one of the applications or functions in the smartphone. You can program that custom key for as many of 3 functions in your phone, which will then activate with the function of one press, two press, or long press button option. On the bottom side we find USB Type-C port protected by a rubber cover that ensures a waterproof seal when the charging cable is removed, and there is also a speaker holes. Now from the front, the screen of this phone comes already protected in advance with the protection film at the factory. The F109 Pro sports a decent 6.74-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and a 19:9 aspect ratio. This provides a pleasant experience for using multimedia content, especially videos on the YouTube, as well as games and photos. Although it has a refresh rate of 16Hz, I can tell you that this is one of the best screens in the 16Hz class that I have in my hand. It performs quite well, it is very responsive, not to forget that it also has the option for use with the gloves. With 420 nits of brightness, the display is more than adequate for most lighting conditions. The vibrant screen, paired with the respectable black level, delivers an impressive contrast ratio that enhances color reproduction, ensuring a rich and dynamic viewing experience. Colors appear accurate, clear and sharp, making the display a pleasure to use for various tasks. For users with moderate expectations, this screen easily meets daily demands such as web browsing, scrolling through the social media, or enjoying hours of YouTube watching. As for the front camera, housed in a sleek notch, the 60 megapixel selfie shooter that is more than capable of handling your casual selfies and video calls with ease, with the option of unlocking by facial recognition. On the back, the elegant side, as you can see, with the sleek and glossy, there is a surround module in which we can see 4 camera lenses and a LED flash, and in the middle of them it's a round touch sensitive additional back screen, 1.32 inches, a feature typically only found in the high-end devices. You activate it with a double tap, or you can sync with the main screen. On this additional screen you can display the compass notifications, incoming call reminders, and it can also help you with the photos. Through it you can also use the rear camera for selfies and as a music player control, and it also shows the battery status, the time and the pedometer, and there is still a lot to discover. Surrounding the display you have a total of 4 camera lenses. While I don't have all the detail about each lens at the time of this review, I can confirm that the main camera features a 50 megapixel sensor paired with the 5 megapixel depth sensor. The camera delivers a solid performance with natural color reproduction, good clarity and minimal noise or distortion. The 50 megapixel main camera also supports 2K video recording at 30 fps, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. To truly appreciate the camera capabilities, I recommend check out some sample photos we capture using the F109 Pro, so let's take a look. The FOSSiBOT F109 Pro provides extensive customization options, enabling you to personalize everything from dark modes to wallpapers and interface colors, all supported by the Android 14. This pure Android interface ensures a smooth, efficient user experience without the annoying and unwanted pre-installed apps. This smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, which is seriously a game changer for mid-range smartphones. This powerhouse processor brings a flagship-like performance and productivity to the phone, making it an incredible choice for anyone looking for a top-notch experience. First of all, the 5G connectivity on this chipset is simply amazing. It offers a true and wider connectivity potential. You can experience super smooth connections and a faster user experience, making browsing, streaming and downloading a breeze. But wait, there is more. Gamers, listen up. This chipset comes with the Hyper Engine Lite technology, a real treat for mobile gaming. With the Mali G57 graphics, you can enjoy fast response rates during gameplay and longer seasons without any lag. With the base RAM capacity of 8GB, the F109 Pro offers a generous increase in multitasking speed. The 8GB standard RAM can be increased up to massive 24GB RAM with a virtual RAM, and you can store your files, music and movies on the fairly large 256GB internal UFS 2.2 storage. For all those who don't have enough space, the phone also offers the option of upgrading with a memory card of up to 2TB. Moreover, the phone's massive 10,600 mAh battery ensures hours of uninterrupted gaming, and with the 80W fast charging, the F109 Pro ensures long-lasting power for extended use, making it ideal for outdoor and travel scenarios. Notably, the phone supports NFC-enabled compatibility with the Google Pay, convenient mobile payments. The chipset supports Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and comes with the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and all the navigation capabilities. Furthermore, it is compatible with a wide range of global networks, including 5G. It's worth noting that the F109 Pro boasts both IP68 and IP69 certifications, making it highly durable, resistant to dust and water and grease. Additionally, the device meets the STD 810H military standard, providing ability to endure extreme conditions and tough environments. So, the FOSSiBOT F109 Pro is the latest rugged smartphone from a brand known for its durability. Powered by the 5G capable MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor and offering up to 24GB of RAM, this phone is built to handle anything from multitasking to gaming. Its standout features include a secondary screen, a massive 10,600 mAh battery, and excellent resistance to harsh conditions. Priced of just $159.99 during the launch period from September 11th and 18th on Aliexpress. This is an unbeatable deal for such a feature-packed device. If you are looking for a durable yet high-performance smartphone, the F109 Pro is the perfect choice. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get yourself a brand new FOSSiBOT F109 Pro today while there is a chance. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.